Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 225 East Elm Street in East Rochester, a 2-unit investment opportunity. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. Are you ready to make some money? This exceptional investment opportunity features 2 units, each with white and bright kitchens, a spacious living room, 2 bedrooms, and a full bathroom, plus separate utilities and laundry. This maintenance-free property features aluminum siding, vinyl windows, great porches, and a 2-car garage. This property is within walking distance to the village of East Rochester with great restaurants, shops, and parks. With nearby Fairport and Pittsford. Could you imagine living or investing here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 225 East Elm Street in East Rochester. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!